You scheduled a post on LinkedIn, but you don't know where to find it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your scheduled post on LinkedIn. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more LinkedIn tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can find your scheduled post on LinkedIn. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your LinkedIn app. It's not that straightforward to find the scheduled post, but let me show you where it is. You go to the plus icon at the bottom right in the middle, post, click on this, and then you can see here, what do you want to talk about? So this is the place where people type the post, but this is also the place where you can find your scheduled post. So you can see there's a timer, there's a clock icon right at the top, right? Click on that, and then you can see schedule, you can see view all. This is the place where you can schedule your post, but if you want to view your scheduled post, you just click on the view all word, right? When you click on that, and then you can see your scheduled post. So I have a scheduled post which is upcoming, and it will show all the scheduled posts here. So yeah, so this is how you can find your scheduled post on LinkedIn. It's not so direct. You have to find a few places. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more LinkedIn tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.